Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into pure vintage American luxury with a bold twist, the 1980 Cadillac Brougham, finished in a striking orange exterior paired with a matching orange interior. Now this is not your typical classic luxury car color combo. Most Broughams came in conservative shades, but this one is loud, confident, and unforgettable. It perfectly blends classic Cadillac elegance with a unique personality that stands out even decades later. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this car so special. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1980 Cadillac Brougham is the definition of old-school luxury. Big, boxy, and incredibly commanding, this car owns the road with its presence alone. The orange paint finish takes that presence to another level. It's bold, vibrant, and full of character, something you rarely see on a luxury sedan from this era. Under sunlight, the orange shade pops beautifully, highlighting every straight line and chrome detail across the body. And speaking of chrome, Cadillac didn't hold back. The front grille is massive and covered in bright chrome, with the Cadillac crest proudly sitting in the center like a badge of honor. The rectangular headlights and clean front bumper design give the car a formal yet powerful face. This isn't aggressive like modern cars, it's authoritative. It tells you this car is all about class and presence. From the side, the Brougham shows its true size. The long, flat body lines, large doors, and extended rear section give it that signature Cadillac limousine-like look. The chrome trim running along the sides complements the orange paint perfectly, adding contrast and luxury detail. The vinyl roof, often seen on these models, adds another layer of classic elegance. Combined with white wall tires and classic Cadillac hubcaps, the car looks like it just rolled out of a 1980 luxury showroom, but with a much bolder personality thanks to that orange finish. At the rear, you get large vertical tail lights and a wide trunk design. Chrome accents continue here, maintaining the premium feel from front to back. The overall design is simple, clean, and timeless, exactly what Cadillac stood for in that era. Interior. Now stepping inside, things get even more unique. The orange interior transforms this Brougham into something truly unforgettable. It's bold, it's retro, and it perfectly matches the exterior, creating a full color-themed luxury experience. The seats are wide, soft, and incredibly comfortable. Upholstered in plush materials, either velour or leather depending on the trim, they feel like living room sofas rather than car seats. The orange tone inside gives the cabin a warm, cozy, and slightly retro vibe that instantly takes you back in time. The dashboard is classic Cadillac, wide, clean, and filled with chrome accents and wood grain trim. The instrument cluster features large, easy-to-read gauges, with a simple layout focused on clarity and functionality. Everything inside feels big and spacious. The front bench seat allows for multiple seating positions, and the rear bench is just as comfortable, offering massive legroom and soft cushioning. This is a car designed for comfort above everything else. The door panels continue the orange theme with padded armrests and chrome handles. Thick carpeting, soft materials, and high-quality finishes make the cabin feel premium even by today's standards. One of the best parts about the interior is how quiet and isolated it feels. Cadillac engineered these cars to provide a smooth, silent ride, and you can feel that the moment you close the door. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 1980 Cadillac Brougham is not about speed, it's about smooth, effortless cruising. Under the hood, you typically get a V8 engine, such as a 6.0-liter or similar, depending on the configuration and market. These engines focus on delivering strong low-end torque rather than high horsepower numbers. The goal is simple: move this large luxury sedan smoothly and comfortably without any stress. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is incredibly relaxed. Gear shifts are soft and almost unnoticeable, perfectly matching the car's calm personality. Acceleration is steady rather than fast, but it feels confident. Once you're cruising, the Brougham really shines. It glides over the road, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease thanks to its soft suspension setup. The ride quality is one of the best aspects of this car. It feels like you're floating, especially on highways where the long wheelbase and soft suspension work together to create an incredibly smooth experience. Steering is light, making it easy to handle despite its size, though it's not designed for sharp cornering or aggressive driving. This is a cruiser through and through. Driving experience. Driving the 1980 Brougham is all about relaxation and presence. You sit high, surrounded by soft materials, with a long hood stretching out in front of you. It gives you a commanding view of the road and a sense of importance that modern cars often lack. The engine hum is deep and calm, never intrusive. Road noise is minimal for a car of its time, and the suspension isolates you from most imperfections. It's the kind of car where you slow down, enjoy the ride, and appreciate the journey rather than rushing to your destination. Price and value. Back in 1980, the Cadillac Brougham was a premium luxury sedan with a price tag to match. Today, its value depends on condition, originality, and uniqueness, and this orange-on-orange combination definitely adds to its appeal. Classic car enthusiasts often look for rare color combinations, and this one stands out in any collection. Well-maintained examples can hold strong value and even appreciate over time. So overall, the 1980 Cadillac Brougham in orange with a matching orange interior is a bold and unforgettable take on classic American luxury. It combines the comfort and elegance Cadillac is known for with a unique personality that refuses to blend in. The exterior is big and commanding, the interior is soft and luxurious, and the driving experience is smooth and relaxing. It's not about speed or modern tech, it's about presence, comfort, and style. If you're a fan of classic cars and want something truly different, this Brougham is a perfect choice. It's not just a car, it's a statement from a time when luxury meant size, softness, and individuality. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. And tell me in the comments, would you rock this bold orange Cadillac today? See you in the next one.